Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART SS29 in black. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product, you'll get a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal mattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view here. Okay, and then we'll take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and push forward with your palm. Okay, comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay. At the front here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your screws in to fasten to your mattress box. Okay, flipping it on over. You'll notice at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. Okay, and also you'll notice that the big difference between the two-way and the intermediate is the screw hole terminals. Okay, a two-way has 3 and intermediate has 4. Okay. The main reason why you'd get an intermediate over a two-way is if you need to control your lights from 3 different locations. Other than that, a two-way, you can be able to control the light from 2 separate locations. Okay. Also, these modules are interchangeable. So if you buy the intermediate and you find you don't actually need it, then you can buy a two-way and simply pop this one out and pop the new one in, wire it up, and you're good to go. All right, let's grab our plate. Let's put that back on. Okay. And then next, I'm going to show you the instructional leaflet that comes with it. Okay. On the one side, you have a whole bunch of social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like and a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. Also, you'll notice a Scan Me QR code in the bottom right-hand corner here. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, and it'll give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, on the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART SS2 for the two-way, 9 for the intermediate, and BK for black. In the center here is our barcode. In the top left-hand corner here, you have another QR code, which if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see the full range of Trendi products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and make sure that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.